Guys, we're just going out to just check on this Jeep to see if it might start. I bought it from a lady. The battery is flat as anything, so we'll just see if it'll even turn over or not. Now cameraman's gonna get the Jeep, I guess, and then I'm gonna get the Jeep, and then we're just gonna see if it starts. Seat's way up. You better press the button and go back. What's that, a B?
Yes.
Huh?
Could you get it? Because, like, I got stung once when I was picking one up.
Not too shabby, eh?
No. Pretty nice, actually. Look at the sound system up there compared to the old one.
I guess we'll have to wait for a little while. How much fuel's it got? Not much.
I think we should put a bit of fuel in.
It's borderline needing a new computer, I know. No smoking bin in the car. Don't pull that. It might stick. What's down there? Nothing. Yeah. Bottle cap or something.
I think so. Your analysis is?
You never know if this doesn't work. I can't get it to go. I could always take these seats out. Plus,
would these work with yours?
I don't know. I'll try it one more time. Charging. Okay, well, we'll let it keep charging.
We'll be back when it's charged.
And we're just gonna start the Jeep, see if it's gonna go again. See under the hood?
Oh yeah, sure.
Because we only got a little bit of gas in it. So might as well leave it on charge tonight. We'll just put the hood down so that the charger doesn't get wet. Funny, this goes up into the hood where all the other Jeeps I've ever had.
So what more do you need to do? Replace the computer and a few other things?
I'll have to see. Maybe it could be just that. Is that so it's ready? Let's see if that is sit there all hurting it. There, it's running. So, just in case any rain or snow comes down, the charging unit doesn't get wet. Hi everybody. It got warm enough that I think we can go out and we got it. I got this little pipe from Canadian Tire to bypass the heater core in this little thing because it's leaking. That's just gonna work as a bypass type things because it's got a hole in it. So we're gonna use this Jeep to move some things around. And since my other Jeep isn't running yet, my truck blew up a week ago. I've had a little bit of bad luck here. Just to start. We don't want to run it without antifreeze, water, liquid in it. Maybe needs a little bit more probably, because who knows how much that little heater core leaked. Here. Just just let that sit for a minute or two. Maybe it'll jiggle itself down. Now we should get some fuel because I don't think there's much fuel in this thing. And I saved a little weeny bit of fuel. Oh, there we go. The transmission blew all in one fateful day, as my camera person can vouch for. See, that's where this thing is. See the rust piled up in there too, in that hole. That could be bad news. I don't know. We're notorious for having frame problems, and we're hoping we don't have to get into major surgery with this thing, but you never know until you look at it. So I'll get that in a little hole down there. Okay, let's see. Fuel. That's up off of the. If I can get it around there, maybe I should try it between the truck.
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking.
So watch that I don't hit the truck.
Okay. Here, I'll put my hand up if you're gonna hit it. I'll just yell if you're getting too close, okay?
I got the window.
You're about... stop. Okay. Maybe an inch. Stop. You're an inch away from the tree. All right, you can go a tiny bit, okay? Stop. Okay, back. Okay, turn, sway, back, turn.
Cutting in the grass much? No?
No.
I'm gonna move it ahead so we get to the end.
Okay.
Key out. There. Alright, now we'll top up the tires. 35. Out of some structural steel. Come on. A bit of gas and it needs to be fully charged. It's just partially charged. We're lucky it started. And thanks for watching us again on Dave's Garage.